How to sign up for a Vk account. Ready to create your Vk account? It's a straightforward process and we will walk you through it step by step right now. First thing first, let's open the app and go inside it. And here you can see an option called sign up. Simply tap on it. Now what I have to do is simply write your number right over here and just tap on continue. However, due to the country restriction, it is not available in my country, so I'll not be able to show you the rest process. The first thing is you have to enter your phone number right over here, and this is for the verification purpose to make sure your account is secure. So go ahead and tap it in. And then after that, Vk will send you a text message with a confirmation code. Simply enter the code into the field on your screen. Next, you will need to create a password. Think of something as strong that you'll remember. It's always a good idea to mix the letters, number, and symbol. Finally, you will fill in some basic profile information like your first name, last name, and birthday. Once that's on, you click the final button and that's it. You are officially a Vk user. Was that easy or what? Let me know in the comments if you have successfully created your account. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.